In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a wet carrot in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So it's actually very simple and basic. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to the seed shop, talk to the seed man over here, and then from the seeds, you want to get yourself some carrot seeds. Now, let me just buy 20 of these. You should buy as many as you can, or just all of them, because this will give you a higher chance of getting the wet carrot more quickly. Then, once you've done this, make sure you equip your carrot seed. As you can see, I have almost 700 of these carrot seeds because I've been buying them regularly. Now, then you want to go over here to your garden, anywhere really where there's empty space, and you want to plant down as many of these carrots as you possibly can, or as much, of course, as much seeds as you have, and as many space as you can fill. Now, once you do this, once you place down as many carrots as possible, you only have to wait. Now, you have to wait for a special weather to happen. It can be this regular sunny weather. It has to be rain. So it's basically going to start raining on your screen, and then down below at the bottom right, you'll see it will say rain. There'll be like a rainy cloud. There'll be drops of water. You can hover over it. It will say rain. And of course, that rain will give you a chance to actually get wet fruit. Now, I do believe there can also be thunderstorms. So there's also thunderstorm, and it rains during thunderstorm. So I think the wet mutation can happen during that period as well. But rain is the one you're primarily looking for. So yeah, that's basically it. You want to plant down as many carrots as possible, and then just leave them like this. And then when you come back, after it has rained, some of them will turn into wet carrots, and then you can use those wet carrots for whatever you want to use them. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.